Alright guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, what you want to do is to subscribe. This is 𝐬𝐬 Logistics and my name is Samuel Joshua. So in today's tutorial, what I wanted to discuss with you is a very uncommon video online. So I'll be showing you a simple trick on how you can bargain and cut off the supplier price. Now let's assume a supplier, you want to buy an item worth of 1005 item, like 1500 RMB, just a product. Do you know you can negotiate this price, and do you know that your supplier can help you cut down the price? Now let me quickly show you the trick. This is an item I wanted to buy. This is an item I am supposed to buy. Let me quickly show you now the simple method to bypass all these expensive things on 168. Okay, so now let me supposed to buy over 1200 pieces of this item. Let me quickly show you how to get it done in a jiffy. All right, so this is my 1688 account, and you can see that this item is just 0.86, is a just simple item used for donut baking and all that. So let me click here and see what I wanted to show you. I'm going for this first one here, what you are seeing here. So let me go back. So I'm supposing to buy 1002 pieces of this item. Okay, so let me just go for 1002. Okay, so I click on this guy. So this is what I have. So let me click on continue now. They are going to be charging me for 112, that's 1012 for the charges. So you can see that this is what I'm supposing to pay for this item, that is 1144 yuan, right? So now I'm going to be showing you the simple trick on how you can cut off and how I am able to cut off this price. All right, now I want you to write down this price. Okay, we have 1144, that's 1144 yuan. Now I'm going to be cutting it off with just simple process. Now let me show you how I did this. Let me go back now. You just please don't get me wrong, and note this page, because I'm going to be switching from my second account now to show you what I'm talking about. Now you can see that this is the product, right? And this is how it look like. It's still the same link. All right, now let me go to my second account. Here is my profile. Here you can see that I'm having 1 and 4, everything making 5. Now let me go to my settings now and switch back my other accounts that I wanted to show you. These same products I'm going to be buying. Now this is what I did. Now after clicking on the link, you will pretend as if you want to buy it, right? Let me open this link again now. So it's going to open my 1688. Let me open my 1688. Okay, so this is the same link on the same on the previous account. You know, I've already switched to the main account now. So I click on this guy, then click on 1002. You can see that let me click on continue for you to see what I'm saying now. So you pretend as if you want to buy this item. You can see that this is what we have here, right? The same 1144. You now pretend this is the simple method. Now you pretend as if you want to buy this item here. Okay, so now it will take you to the checkout page where you are going to be paying with your this thing. All right, this is the final stage. Let me click on it. Once you click on this guy here, it's going to automatically pop up your Alipay. You can see that if I'm to click on my pay now, it's going to make the payment completely. Now you are not going to buy it. Okay, you cancel it here, you go back here. So you go back, automatically it's going to save. Now let's go to your to my profile here. All right, so you click on this 5. This 5 simply means that the item that you unfinished transaction, let me put it that way. So your unfinished transaction will be here. Now this is the simple trick I did. Now let me teach you. You can see that this is the same product. Now I click on this guy here. I pretend as if I wanted to do the same thing. Now you can see that it has taken us to the page. Now I'm not going to do this. You click on this guy here, this item here. Once you click on it, it's going to give you the breakdown and the tracking number of this item. Okay, so this is what it should look like. You can see it here. You copy this tracking number here. This is what you are going to be using to chart the same supplier up, which I did. Remember the price. Now remember where this arrow, this cursor is showing. Now we have 1144 yuan. Now you click on this chart icon to chart the supplier on this same item. Okay, now let me show you. Let me click on this chart icon. Now this is the conversation. It will take you here. All right, I don't want to practicalize it. Now let me go back to our previous conversation. Now remember the transaction ID we copy. You are going to paste it. Once you paste it, you are going to screenshot that page. Let me click on the picture now. This is the picture of the page. You are going to screenshot it, and once you screenshot it to this supplier, you are now going to message him. You are going to tell him that you want to buy over 1,200 pieces of just this single item. You know, that's quite huge. I don't say it's a must you buy 1,000. I don't know the pieces or the materials you want to buy, but if you are buying up to maybe 30 pieces upward, this can work for you. Or you are buying 25 pieces, yes, it can work. You try your luck. Now let me quickly screenshot this simple conversation to you and what I did for this guy. Now this is this where you are seeing 1 2. I'm trying to tell the supplier that okay, I wanted to buy over 1,002 pieces of this item and I need a discount code. I need a discount price. Now let me screenshot for you to see what he have to say. Let me screenshot the whole conversation. Okay, let me screenshot from here. Okay, let me make my screenshot now. Then let me head over to my Google Translator here to translate what this guy says. Automatically, he did not even argue with me. This is what I told this guy. Hello, I need a discount for this item. I bought 1,000. I wanted to buy 1,002 pieces. All right. Now, this is what he said. He said the product price is the lowest. He said it's good quality. I use the discount freight. Okay, he now said discounted. Now let me go and screenshot the next conversation. The next thing I said is okay. This simply means that he has helped me to discount this same item. Now let me upload this for you to see. All right, so let me click on this guy here and see what we have. You can see right here, he said he has already cut down the discounted. He told me to refresh that same page and I said I need a discount code and I said okay. All right, so now I go back. Once he said he has already discounted the price for you, you are now going to go back to that same page. And once you go back to that same page, you will see that the price is no longer the same thing. So it is this page that you will refresh. Once he said he should refresh it, you just swipe up this thing that is rolling here, and the price is going to change automatically. Now I am supposed to buy this item for 1,144. Now see the price this guy is giving me here. You can see that this is the price, the discount this guy is giving me on the same link. You can see it here. Instead of me to pay 1,144, see the price I'm paying. And even if I still want to bargain again, I'm still going to bargain. Like I'm still going to negotiate this price down a little bit. So this is how you can. Welcome back, guys. I've already made the purchase. I think at a point there I need to pause that video for some privacy reason. So let me click on this guy here for you to see that I've already completed this payment. All right, so you can see that this is the guy that we just bought now, and you can see that we have 1132. Okay, so this is how you can get it done. If this video has helped you in one way or the other, kindly hit that subscription button, like that video, and also share this video to your fellow students. I will definitely see you in my next video.